Let's face it, in today's world, speed is everything. We want our food delivered fast, our news delivered instantly, and most importantly, our money needs to move just as quickly. So, if you're considering using Lili as your bank, you might be wondering, when exactly will my transfers show up? Can I pay my bills on time? Will I be stuck waiting for that paycheck to clear? Fear not, finance friends. This video will break down everything you need to know about Lili transfer times, from sending money to receiving it. We'll clear up any confusion and ensure you're a pro at navigating your Lili account in no time. Understanding the transfer types, ACH versus wires. Now, before we dive into specifics, let's talk about the two main types of transfers you'll encounter with Lili, ACH transfers and wires. Think of them like different delivery methods for your money. ACH, which stands for Automated Clearing House, is kind of like standard shipping for your money. It's the most common type of transfer, used for things like moving money between your Lili account and another bank account, or receiving your paycheck directly into your Lili account. While it's generally free with Lili, it's not the fastest option. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete, depending on the receiving bank. Wires, on the other hand, are like express delivery for your money. They're much faster, with transfers often happening on the same business day if initiated before a certain cutoff time, which can vary depending on the bank. However, wires come with a price tag. Lili charges a fee for wire transfers, so they're best reserved for urgent situations where speed is essential. Incoming transfers, how long does it take to see the money in your Lili account? Alright, with the transfer types out of the way, let's talk about the real question. How long will it take to see the money hit your Lili account? For incoming ACH transfers, Lili is pretty speedy. They'll post a transfer to your account as soon as they receive it from the other bank. This means you'll typically see the funds within a day, although it's important to remember that the original bank might take some additional time to process the transfer on their end. For wires, things are even faster. Since wires are prioritized transfers, you can expect the money to be in your Lili account by the end of the same business day if the transfer is initiated before the cutoff time. Outgoing transfers, sending money from your Lili account. Now let's flip the script and talk about sending money out of your Lili account. Here's where things get a little more complex, because the transfer speed can depend on a few factors. First, consider if you're transferring to a linked account or a non-linked account. Linked accounts are external bank accounts you've previously connected to your Lili account. Transfers to linked accounts are generally faster, typically taking 2 to 5 business days to clear. Non-linked accounts, on the other hand, involve a new external bank account you haven't connected before. In this case, Lili will post the transfer to your account immediately, but it can take the receiving bank an additional 1 to 3 business days to process it on their end. Making payments, keeping your bills on track. Let's face it, no one wants a late fee hanging over their head. So, how can you ensure your bills get paid on time with Lili? The key is to factor in transfer times when scheduling your payments. If you're using ACH transfers to pay your bills, be sure to initiate the transfer a few business days before the due date to account for processing time. Lili offers a handy bill pay feature within the app, which can help streamline this process and ensure your payments are sent on time. By now, you should be a Lili transfer time whiz. Remember, ACH transfers for incoming and outgoing funds typically take 1 to 3 business days, while wires are the fastest option but come with a fee. When scheduling payments, factor in these transfer times to avoid any late fees. With a little planning and this knowledge in your back pocket, you can ensure your Lili transfers are smooth sailing. Thanks for watching, and until next time.